Yeah, fixing this, but patching inside of that fender there. Just made that patch. Pretty dope. Couple bends, couple curves. Use the bead roller. There's the spot. About to weld it in the middle of the night. Got that all taken care of, all welded in. Inside patch there. Solid again. Tight. Trunk floor. Made that patch on the bead roller. Welded that in there. So just working on this other fender. Doing a little CAD. Cardboard aided design. Fixing the rust hole with pizza. Yeah, boy. Looks nicer in here now too, doesn't it? So we got a patch that kind of looks like the shape of the hole. Cutting and button. Get that in there right. Do some welding. Right on, man. Patch all in there. About to give it some welding. Looks pretty good. Just cutting some patches to shave the marker lights on the duster. Okay, dudes. Hey, want to see the proper way to get this weather stripping off so you can actually reuse it and not just destroy all these little T-clips in there? Because if you just use this kind of thing and go prying at it, you're just going to break every single one of them. So the right way to do it is actually to go inside the door panel, and you'll see a little, I don't know if I can actually get shit to focus, a little inside of the clip is right there. So what you got to do to actually get these things off properly, needle nose pliers, grab the inside of the thing and just squeeze it a little bit right at the base. Boom, just pops out just like that. Saved it. Saved it. Saved it. And like most of the clips are still in it, so we can use it again. Awesome.
Yeah.